Hey guys, and welcome back again to the Gamer Cooks. This will be my second video today. This time it's actually on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And yeah, probably seen the intro. If you like it, please leave a like on the video. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So right now I'm gonna scramble the cube. May take a little while. Don't worry, I'm terrible at memorizing algorithms, and plus it'll take me about 1.5 minutes to do. But anyway, so cool. All scrambled, as you can probably see. Okay. Now my time will start in about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. Also, if I haven't said already, please don't forget to subscribe, and it would really help us if you subscribe. Make sure you, well, I'm trying to do short videos right now because I know how it feels when I'm doing long videos. You want to watch all of it, but you can't because you don't have enough time. I got that advice, and now I'm trying to improve the length by making them shorter. So this one should hopefully only be like maybe less than 5 minutes long. If you haven't seen my 2x2 Rubik's Cube one, I did that earlier today, like just about 10 minutes ago, or 5 minutes ago maybe, I don't know. And right now what I'm doing is I'm filming it on my phone and then actually uploading it from my computer so I can actually get the intro in, because that's probably one of the best things we've worked on in this channel. It's really not hard to do, but you just have to learn how to do it. Now, okay, now I'm last stage. My mind's gone blank. Okay, no, it hasn't yet. Okay, almost finished. Yep, finished. Now that took me about 1 minute 40 seconds to do. It's really not my best. I can do it in 1 minute and 10, but then, you know, that'll just about round it up for this video. Stay tuned, maybe tomorrow or later on today we may be doing another video. So, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I say that yet again, but please do, it really means a lot. And I'll see you for now. Bye.